up, everybody? It's Tony, aka Natural Boss, and I'm here for another product review. And this time I'm going to be reviewing the Uncle Funky's Daughter Magic Curl Stimulator, whatever it's called. I think I should just, instead of trying to memorize it, just read it from the bottle. Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. And I know I'm like literally I'm late with all the products. Like I said in another video, I was on a hiatus. I wasn't being a product junkie anymore. I just was kind of using what I already had and what I was used to. And I wasn't really buying anything. So all these products have been out for a while. And Uncle Funky's Daughter, they have like a whole product line or whatever with everything you could ever think of. But I wanted to try this because what I actually want to do in this video is do a one product wash and go. So I don't really even know what this stuff is considered besides a curl stimulator, because most of the time when I do a wash and go, I use either regular gel or mousse, and I've never really used anything else other than that. And so this product has a lot of good ingredients, and I don't see anything bad on this ingredients list. And it even says it has natural fragrance, which just really almost automatically makes this a winner for me, but I'll see after I use it. And so the instructions are: cleanse and detangle hair, apply a quarter-size dollop, whatever that is, to sections of soaking wet hair from root to end, finger comb and style, diffuse or allow to air dry. So it says flex your curl muscle naturally with our aloe-based firm hold curl enhancing gel. So they're saying that this is firm hold. So we'll see. Actually, let me smell this. Okay, yes, it has a really clean, nice, natural fragrance to it. So that's a plus already. So yeah, my hair, as usual, in all my videos, all my wash and go videos anyway, my hair has already been washed and conditioned. And I purposely did not put leave-in conditioner in my hair. I did not want to, because when I'm first testing out a product, I really want to just see what it's going to do without having to cocktail it with all this other stuff. And so if this product is really that great, to me it's gonna make my curls pop without me adding anything to it. And to me, my hair will not be dry and my hair will not be crunchy without me having to add additional conditioners and all that. So we're just gonna see how magic this curly magic is. So yeah, let's just get this party started right now. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair parted how I had it parted in my previous style. A lot of you guys have been asking about this in all my other videos. I use this all the time. It is a spray mister. It's not like a regular spray bottle. It mist. This is what I like to use my hair. I have other spray bottles that I may use occasionally for whatever reason, but this is my preferred spray bottle right here. And to let you know, I got it from Sally Beauty Supply, and I'm going to try to provide a link to the exact one or some kind of information to the exact one that I purchased, because I know you guys want the exact one probably that I use. But just to let you know, I think all beauty supply stores sell these now. They're really popular. So just if you don't have one, I encourage you to go out and get one. So my hair has been tangled already, but I'm just kind of finger detangling it a little bit more just to make sure. And did I say this already? This is nothing but water. Anytime you see me spraying this bottle, all I have in here is water. All I'll ever put in here is just plain water. There's nothing mixed in here. It specifically says soaking wet hair, so I want to make sure my hair is like really, really wet and detangled. I don't remember how much this stuff costs, but I'm gonna tell you right now, it ain't cheap. So if you're cheap, you might just want to stick with Eco Style Gel or something like that. Ooh, it smells really good. So that's how much I'm going to use for right now. Okay, it has that feel. I don't know if any of you have used it before, like any kind of flaxseed gel. Okay, this stuff feels weird and different than what I'm used to, because like I said, I'm just used to using regular old gel when I do wash and go. So you can see my hair, the curls are defined. I don't know how good this is gonna last because it says it has firm hold, but it doesn't feel like firm hold to me. Oops. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay. Okay, I guess, I mean, just, this doesn't feel like it's gonna last. What it feels like right now, if I could make a prediction, is that when it dries, my hair is gonna poof and be like a slightly curly afro. But I mean, I could be wrong, so I'm just gonna finish applying this to my hair and then dry it some kind of way. I might just diffuse the whole thing, or either sit on a dryer and then I'll come back and let you guys see what the results are. Okay, so it probably looks way lighter in the room now. I don't think I had my camera settings right, and so it may have been too dark. I don't know. I'll see when I finish editing this video. But anyway, so I finished applying all the Uncle Funkies, and this is what it looky like. So I already, I'll tell you right off the bat, if you haven't tried this already, they don't claim to be a gel. It is not a gel. So if you want a real slick look, I don't think this is going to be that. Like, I couldn't even get my edges really to lay down with this stuff, so I had to go put a little wet line on the edges. And that's why you see this little white headband around there to kind of lay them down. So if you're looking for a real sleek, wet look, I don't believe this is going to do it for you. I guess I should just be quiet and let it dry, because I can't really give a true opinion on it till it's completely dry. But that's just my thoughts for right now. Yeah, well, like when I use wet line, my hair is way slick looking. You know, I look like I'm wet and I just came out the water. This obviously is not giving me that kind of look, and I use quite a bit of product. So I'm gonna go let it air dry and diffuse it a little, maybe even sit in the dryer, who knows, and then I'll be back and let you guys see the results. Okay, I'm back. My hair is semi-dry. It's about as dry as I have it any other of my wash and go videos. Let's see, I'm still sitting here like, okay, where is the magic? I don't see any magic. Okay, so okay, let me just take this off first. If those of you wondering, I think I said it, I don't know what parts I'm going to edit, but this doesn't slick down like gel, so I know I want my hair laid down, so I have to add some wet line in the front, and I just wrap these little wraps around it so it can dry. Okay, so first let me tell you what I do like about the product. I like the packaging. I like the marketing. I went to their website. I like the website. I like what they represent. It's like, it's kind of a 70s kind of feel or something, you know, Uncle Funky's daughter, whatever that is. It has really super good ingredients. Probably the ingredients are probably like some of the best that I have on my shelf. I'm not gonna read them all. I'll probably put them in the description. It has a natural fragrance, and the natural fragrance smells good. It's not too loud. It doesn't smell chemically or anything like that. It just smells really good. The pump bottle is pretty convenient. Okay. So now what I don't like about it. I really tried to like it. I wish I like it. So for one thing, this product, because it's not gel, for my type of hair, it would need to be, I would need to add gel to it. Not necessarily wet line, probably some eco would work, but something needs to go over this. Okay, look at the difference in these two sides. I don't know if you guys can see it as good as I can. This is more defined and coily. This is a little just poofy and dry. And I did start applying more product on this side, although to me, I felt I had enough on this side. With this product for my hair type, I need a whole bunch, and this is too expensive to use a whole bunch. If this was With Wetline, I can use a whole bunch, although I don't need to because it's cheap. This costs too much. I would use, well, I've only used like up to there, but if I had to put all over my head how much I probably should have to get better results, I probably would have used half the bottle, and that's too much for wash and go. My hair, for me, again, and this is just, it's how you like your own hair and your own opinion. For me, I like more of a wet, laid down look. Same with my twist outs, with my wash and go, pretty much any style that I wear, I like my hair laid down. I'm not into the big fluff. And like I said, the purpose of this video is that, number one, I wanted to try the Uncle Funky's Daughter. Number two, I wanted to do a one product wash and go. I didn't want to layer this with gel or anything like that. I want to see what that product does. So yeah, I don't see anything magical about the Uncle Funky's Daughter's curl stimulator. Sorry, Uncle Funky, not for me. To me, my hair just looks like a big old afro with a little side zigzag part in the front. That's all. Like, I don't know if I would even go out in public like this. Maybe I will. Maybe I don't know. I actually still want to try some of the other Uncle Funky's Daughter products. So I'm not, just because this didn't work, a lot of things don't work for me, and I still go back, you know, I like their conditioner or whatever. So I want to try some of the other products, but this is just a no for me. If you try Uncle Funky's Daughter, this Curly Magic, or any other products, comment, let me know what your thoughts are on them. I'm like really serious. I'm probably going to try some of the other products, knowing that they use like really good ingredients, because that's really impressive to me. Again, I've requested this in other videos. If you guys comment and stuff on my curl activator video, comment on this one and tell me some other black owned products that you want to see me do reviews on, because I would love to. I'd love to try some more stuff. I still have some other new products in my stash that I still got to do videos on, but I just want to keep the momentum going. So if you're not already a subscriber, you need to subscribe to my channel. I know some of you guys is watching my videos over and over and over again. Just subscribe. Just do it. It's free. It's not gonna cost you anything. So again, thanks for watching, and I appreciate my subscriber count has really grown, and I appreciate all of you for your support, and I will see you in the next video.